What's the meaning of characterize? Characterize. Characterize.
Characterize. Characterize. To characterize something means to describe or portray its distinctive features or qualities. It is the act of identifying and explaining what makes something unique or distinct from other things. This can be applied to a wide range of subjects, from people and animals to ideas and behaviors. Characterization allows us to gain a deeper understanding of the subject and its attributes, and can be useful in fields such as literature, science, and psychology. Ultimately, characterization provides a means of categorizing and analyzing the world around us.